Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be good. My name is Habiba and I am doing job as a coordinator in Allied Abdulaziz campus Dhokasu. Today I am going to tell you about the chapter wise descriptions of maths for class 5. This is your countdown book 5. Your first assessment syllabus is based on two chapters. Chapter 1 Numbers and Arithmetic Operations, Chapter 4 Decimals and Percentage. Let's open the book. The first chapter is Numbers and Arithmetic Operations. What you have to do after reading this chapter, you will be able to read and write the numbers up to 1 billion, add and subtract the numbers of complexity, multiply the numbers up to 6 digit, and divide the numbers up to 6 digits, and solve real life problem, apply DMOS rule using parentheses, carry out combine operation using DOMAS rule. In chapter 1, the first question is, in this chapter you will be read and write the numbers, add this and subtract numbers, multiply and divide and apply DOMAS rule. These are the main topics that are given in this chapter. Page number 2, as you see, there is a place value chart. Look at the chart. Read this chart and learn their values, units, thousand, millions and billions. You will come to know that 1 billion has 10 digits. In exercise 1A, you have solved all this exercise in class. Fill in the blanks, true, false and correct the answers. Question number 4, write the following numbers into words. There are the numbers that are given. You have to write it in numbers. Question number 5, write the numbers in figures. You have to solve the numbers in figures. Question number 6, write the numbers in figure giving the correct space. Question number 7, write the following numbers in words. Question number 8, write the numbers in figure. Question number 9, write the place value of the ringed digits. I have solved all these parts from question number 4 to 9. For your understanding, look at the part. Question number 4, write in words. What you have to do, make a place value chart. Put all the digit in place value chart from right to left. You will come to know the answer. Look at the question that I have solved. The correct answer is 1,500,000. Question number 5, write in figures. Same, make a place value chart and place each values in the correct column. You will come to know the answer. Like first part, 1,900,000. So in million column 1 place, in 100,000 column place 9 and then rest of the digits place zeros. You will come to know the answer. Question number 6, write the numbers with correct spacing. Keep this in mind that every third digit there is a space. If you read it from right side, you will come to know that units has 3 column, then space, then thousand has 3 column, then space, then million has 3 column, then space. I have done first part. Look at the part. Question number 9, write place value digit. What you have to do, you have to find out the values of the digits that are circled. Simply place value chart, I write the values and you will come to know the answer. I have done first part for your understanding. 7 is circled. So after placing in the correct column, I will come to know that 7 value is 70,000. So I have write this in words or in numbers. It's up to you. Question number 10, write in expand form. What you have to do, same, make a place value chart, place all the values in it. You will come to know the answer. Place zeros according to the value. Question number 10, as I have done this. Question number 11, arrange the following numbers in descending order. And question number 12, write the predecessor of the following numbers. You have to know that descending order means from greater to smallest. Question number 11, arrange in descending order. What you have to do, find out the greatest one values in the given numbers, then the smallest, and then smallest. And question number 12, write the predecessor. Predecessor means what comes before. What you have to do, simply minus 1 from the given number, you will come to know the answer. I have done first part. In exercise 1b, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, state true or false question. Question number 3, state the correct answer. There are some questions that are given in it. What you have to do, simply solve these questions and you will come to know the answer. Question number 4, add the given number. Question number 5, write vertically and add. Question number 6, write the numbers which is greater than this. And question number 7, subtract the numbers. I have done these part. Question number 4, add. Simply add the numbers. Give the correct spacing between the numbers and then simply add. Like first part, 6 plus 3, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 4 plus 5, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. Simply addition question. Question number 5, add vertically. It means write the numbers vertically with correct spacing and simply add these numbers. Question number 6, write the number which is 5000 more than this. 5000 more than this means you have to add 5000 in the given number simply and you will come to know the answer. Question number 7, subtract the numbers. You have to subtract the given numbers. Question number 8, solve sums using international system. Difference between largest 8-digit numbers and greatest 5-digit numbers. You have to know that largest 8-digit number is this, 8 times 9s, and largest 5-digit number is 5 times 9s. Write it and subtract this. Question number 9, subtraction question है. What you have to do, make a carry, borrow carry, and then you will solve questions. Question number 8, 9, 10 I have done in the previous slide. Look at the slide. Okay, question number 11, study the table carefully, then answer the given question below. There are some populations of the major cities of Pakistan according to the 2017 census. Karachi's population, Lahore population, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, Peshawar and Quetta population. The first part is how many more people live in Karachi than in Rawalpindi. कितने लोग कराची में ज़्यादा रह रहे हैं according Rawalpindi. What you have to do, simply minus the Karachi population with Rawalpindi population, you have to know the answer. Question number B, after Faisalabad, which city has the most number of people? फैसलाबाद के बाद कौन सी सिटी ऐसी है जिसमें ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं? फाइंड आउट द आंसर. फैसलाबाद के अलावा कौन सा ऐसा सिटी है जिसके ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है? क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ लाहौर एंड रावलपिंडी? टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ लाहौर एंड रावलपिंडी फाइंड आउट करनी है, तो लाहौर एंड रावलपिंडी की पॉपुलेशन को ऐड कर देना आपने. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई, इफ़ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ पेशावर इज़ एडेड टू कोयटा, हाउ मेनी मोर पीपल आर ऑल टुगेदर? अगर पेशावर की पॉपुलेशन को कोयटा की पॉपुलेशन में ऐड किया जाए तो कितने ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे? बट यू हैव टू डू सिंपली ऐड दीज टू पॉपुलेशन. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. Look at the chart. There is a first method of multiplying and division. Division method is if you have to divide the number with 10, there is a difference that there are 2 zeros more added in the given number. If you are dividing the number by 100, then there is 1 zeros in the number. And if you are going to divide the number by 1000, then there is no zeros. Exercise 1C, question number 1, fill in the blanks. What you have to do, simple multiplication questions are given. You have to multiply the numbers and you will come to know the answer. Question number 2 is state whether the following are true or false. What you have to do, simply solve these questions. Question number 3 is select the correct answer. Question number 4 is multiply of the following numbers by 10. Question number 5, multiply the number by 100. Okay. Question number 4, multiply by 10. What you have to do, simply multiply the number by 10. You will come to know the answer. Question number 5, multiply by 100. Multiply the given number with 100. You have to know about the answer, as I have done these two parts for your understanding. Question number 6, multiply the number by 1000. Question number 7, divide the number by 10. Question number 8, divide the following number by 100. Question number 9, divide the number by 1000. These are the questions that you have done in the previous classes, and it's very simple question. What you have to do, simply learn the tables and keep this thing that how to divide the number. It's very simple for you. Question number 10, multiplication. Read the table and multiply the number. Question number 11, write vertically and multiply. You have to write vertically like in the question number 10 and then multiply the number. Question number 12 is division question. What you have to do, simply divide the numbers one by one. Question number 13 is also division question. These are all the questions that you have done in the previous classes. Learn the table and solve this question with the help of your parents. Question number 7, divide by 10. Look at the question. I have done first part for you understand. What you have to do, simply the first part is 10 divided by 347080. Okay, compare first two digit with 10. 34 is greater than 10. Read the table of 10. 10 3 is 30. 10 4 is 40. 40 is greater, so we will go for 3. Okay, 10 3 is 30. 34 minus 34 left. Okay, place second digit 7. No, the digit is 47. Read the table till 47. 10 4 is 40. 10 5 is 50. 50 is greater, so 10 4 is 40. 47 minus 47 left. Okay, place second digit zeros. 70. 10 7 is 70. 70 minus 70, there is nothing left. Okay, then 8. 8 is less than 10. What you have to do, place the second digit also with 8. 0 80. But when you are going to जब आप दो किसी भी डिजिट को नीचे लेकर आते हैं तो आपको 0 प्लेस करना होता है. So what you have to do, 10 8s are 80. Okay, the next topic is D mass rule. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So keep this sequence in your mind. If there are more than one signs are present in the question, what you have to do, simply divide first, then multiply, then addition and then subtraction. BOD mass rule, B stands for brackets. If there are any brackets, any parentheses present in the question, what you have to do, simply solve the bracket first, then keep this sequence in your mind, that multiply and then divide and then multiply and then addition and then subtraction. Look at the questions that are given in their book. They have solved 3 examples for your understanding. Example number 3, like 6 divided by 2, 3. If there are more than one signs, what you have to do, simply divide this question in the parts. Step 1, divide the number. Step 2, multiply the numbers. Step 3, subtract the numbers. Step 4, add the number. There is no hard and fast rule for subtraction and addition. You have to divide, you have to add first and you have to subtract first. Exercise 1D, fill in the blanks. Simply the question is given in BOD mass rules. What you have to do, solve the parentheses first and then multiply. Question number 2, state the following questions are true or false. Solve the statement and find out the answer. If the answer that are given is true, then write 2, and if it is false, then write false. Question number 3, select the correct answer from the given option. Question number 4, using D mass rule, solve this question. Question number 5 is using D mass rule for solving the question. I have done these all the parts for your understanding. Look at the parts. Question number 1, 5 multiplied by bracket 9 minus 2. What you have to do, step 1, solve the brackets. Now 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. Then come to the question. Okay, 5 multiplied by 7, 35. So the 35 is answer, fill the blanks. Same like this you have to solve rest of the part. Question number 2, state the following question is true or false, but you have to do simply solve the question. Step 1, solve the brackets. 4 plus 6, 10. Then divide. Step 2, 10 divided by 5, 2. Then multiply. 2 multiplied by 7, 14. The answer is 14, but they have given 35. It means the statement is false. So write false.